everybody, this is Larry. This is day 6 of the January Leetcode Day Challenge. Hit the like button, subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's part. Today we have 1161 maximum level sum of binary tree. Also, hope you like the intro. I'm still kind of, I don't know, just putting random things in there. Alright, but it's still this trip for now. Maybe I'll put on random stuff from other trips. But yeah. Well, for now though, we'll work on this one. Anyway, yeah. Okay, let's see. Let's take a look at today's problem. We have root tree, level 1, 2, blah, blah, blah. Smallest levels such that the sum of the rise all the nodes is maximum. Alright, I mean, this seems pretty straightforward and definitely something that you really should need to figure out how to do. There are a couple of ways you can think about doing this really, but the way that I'm going to do it is just by using a global, mostly because I'm lazy. Definitely, as I always say, experiment with playing with different ways of implementing it. Don't get stuck in one way or another. Yeah. Okay, and traverse say, right, so we have a node, and maybe we'll just pass in the level, right? So then, yeah, if node is none, then we just return. Oops. Otherwise, f of level, and really, I'm just being lazy because level is monotonically increasing, right? There's no gaps in levels. You can't just go from like 1 to 3 or whatever. So this should probably be in a way. But I am lazy, as I said, so we can just do something like this, and we're Gucci, really, right? And then we're trying to, what are we doing? Okay, so this will give us the sum where we traverse from the root, right? And then now the level, the maximal sum. So then we just have to do one pass through the values, right? So key values and items, right? So if what's the tiebreaker? Smallest level, right? So that means that you can write this in a number of ways. I mean, there are really two. When you see something like smallest as a tiebreaker, there are two ways to do it, and sometimes I'm mostly just me being lazy and trying to figure out which one is lazier to do. Meaning that you could sort and then the order will take care of itself, or you could just do an extra if statement. Either way is fine, really. I mean, of course, if you sort, that actually adds an n log n type thing, or depending on, you know. So it really depends, but it really doesn't really matter too much if you ask me. In general, of course, you have to talk through it and you have to understand the trade-offs, but you know, it only matters when it only doesn't matter when you know what you're doing with it, right? Anyway, so we can just do like maybe best is equal to they are negative numbers, so we have to be a little bit careful. Wouldn't be surprised if past Larry made a mistake on that one. That seems like something past Larry would do, right? Best level is equal to, I don't know, the same thing, right? So if v is greater than best level, then the best, then best level is equal to k. V is equal to best, right? No, the other way around, right? Oh no. Whoops. Best is equal to v. Else, if v is equal to best and key is smaller than best level, then yeah, same thing. You could also write this in as one if statement, of course, but I don't know. I don't know how to kind of worry about it, but this should be okay. But I would say I messed up already because the it starts at 1 instead of 0, which is a little bit weird, but it's fine. Right? Hopefully I didn't make a silly mistake, and there you go. We're good. Even though there's no streak pop up for some reason today. No silly mistakes in the past either. Okay, let's refresh to make sure that I have submitted. Okay. But yeah, this is gonna be linear time, linear space, right? You could say maybe all of h space, where h is the height of the tree, but in both the recursiveness and of course the counter. Otherwise everything's linear-ish. You have to look at each node once. It's just the way it is. And that's the lower bound for that part. Yeah. That's it. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Stay good. Stay healthy to mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.